Hello everyone. Today we are celebrating our fifth work anniversary. It's not just an work anniversary, it is the anniversary of family that grow strong define the others. We started with few, but now we are many, not only in numbers but also in talent and creativity. Today we have a dedicated team of professionals having expertise in different fields and always available to provide services. So congratulations everyone for your efforts and accomplishments. Not to forget about our valuable clients who have always supported us and given us opportunity to grow. We have not been here if you have not believed on us. So thank you for being with us. Wishing you many more years of unparalleled success and unrivaled corporate services. So congratulations on this special day. Stay safe, stay connected. Thank you.
हेलो, मेरा नाम पंकज है और मैं एक्सपर्ट एडवाइज़र प्राइवेट लिमिटेड के साथ 2 साल से काम कर रहा हूँ। मेरा यहाँ वर्क एक्सपीरियंस काफ़ी अच्छा रहा। यहाँ के लोग भी काफ़ी सपोर्टेबल हैं एंड मेरी तरफ से एक्सपर्ट एडवाइज़र को 5 साल पूरे होने पर हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। थैंक यू।
Hello, I'm really proud to be a part of Team Expert Advisors. Congratulations to the team for completing 5 years of success and thumbs up for the great efforts.
Hello everybody, my name is Piyush Kumar Goyal and I am connected with Expert Advisors since last 5 years, and you can see that I am connected with them since its inception, and it's really a great experience working with Lokesh sir, Harshi sir and the whole team of Expert Advisors. And the work environment over there is really good, and I always enjoyed working over there. And I wish a lot of congratulations to all the team of Expert Advisors, especially Lokesh sir, Harshi sir, Sunil sir, Sonia ma'am, and all the partners like Harshi sir and Lokesh sir is always been really supportive, and they always kept on teaching new and good things to the staff. Okay, and so I wish them a lot of congratulations. Okay, thank you, bye.
Working with Expert Advisors has been a very wonderful journey. I would like to congratulate my colleagues, my mentor, my principal on completion of our 5-year anniversary of the firm. Congratulations!
Hello everyone, this side Monu Dalal from Expert Advisor. Today on this special day, I want to congratulate to Expert Advisor for completing its 5th year of success. And it's a great experience to work with Expert Advisor, and wishing many more years of success, joy, happiness and good luck.
Congratulations to the team on this very big occasion. It has been a wonderful journey altogether. Further, I would like to thank our clients who believed on us and gave an opportunity to serve them. Once again, thank you. Stay safe, stay blessed.
Hi, I'm Sahil. I've been working with Expert Advisors for more than a year. My experience has been accelerating. I'm glad to be a part of this team, and I would like to congratulate Expert Advisors on their 5th anniversary.
Congratulations to Expert team on successfully completing 5 years. It has been wonderful journey altogether. It is privileged to work with experts. Let's hope for the best in the upcoming years. Happy anniversary.
Hi, hello everyone, myself Sarji, and it was very lovely work experience with Expert Advisors and team. I learned a lot, and hearty congratulations to Expert Advisor for completing 5 years. All the best.
Hello everyone, my name is Mohit Agarwal. First of all, I would like to congratulate to Mr. C. Ashish Agarwal and C. Lokesh Gar for complete journey of 5 years of Expert Advisor. Really, this one is the biggest achievement for the Expert Advisor. I hope in coming days Expert Advisor will more progress, and I also thanks to Expert Advisor because whatever I am today because of Expert Advisor, I learn a lot of things from here, especially from CA Ashish Agarwal and CA Lokesh Gar. Their behavior not like a boss but also a motivator. So thank you, Expert Advisor.
Hello everyone, myself Seema Rawat. I have worked in Expert Advisor 1.5 years. The whole team of expert advisor were very supportive and helping. So I would like to congratulate them for their 5-year journey. Thank you and congratulations once again.
Hello everyone, my name is Ravi Kumar and I am working with Expert Advisor more than 1 year. The working environment of the Expert Advisor are highly appreciated and I would like to congratulations all the staff.
Hello everyone, myself Mohit Daksh. Congratulations for Expert Advisor 5-year complete successfully. I have got a lot to learn. My 1-year experience in Expert Advisor management has been very good. I once again congratulations for Expert Advisor Management Private Limited.
Myself Parul Gupta. Before I say anything, I would like to congratulate Expert Advisors and their team for completing 5 years of working and management. It's been a privilege for me for being a part of Expert Advisor from the very start of my professional career. It feels like a school to me as I was new to the professional system. I learned each and everything from there. As an ex-employee, it was a great experience to work with, hoping and wishing the very best for the future ahead. Good luck.
हेलो दोस्तों, मेरा नाम कौशल कुमार है। मैं एक्सपर्ट एडवाइज़र में पिछले 3 साल से काम कर रहा हूं और मैं अपने सभी साथियों को हमारी कंपनी के 5 साल पूरे होने पर हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं देता हूं। सभी साथियों को हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं, बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं। और मैं अपने बॉस सीए लोकेश गर्ग और हर्षित सर को भी बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं देता हूं। वो ऐसे ही नई नई तरक्की करते रहें, एक्सपर्ट एडवाइज़र ऐसे ही मतलब बहुत तरक्की करे। धन्यवाद।
Hello everyone, myself Shubham Berman. Congratulations to the Expert Advisors for completing their 5 years. It has been a great working experience to work with Expert Advisor. I wish my team will achieve more success in the upcoming years. Thank you.
Hi, good afternoon. Congratulations Expert Advisors for completing 5 years. We really appreciate the services provided by you and we wish you all the best for your future and look forward more better services from you. Thank you very much.
I recently have been hired by a foreign company in India and I was really worried for my taxation and how do I work on my self-assessment for advanced tax. I came across Expert Advisors and I'm really happy that they have taken all my worries and Mr. Lokesh Garg is really gem of a person and he's thorough professional. He took care of all my pains and I'm happy to hire Expert Advisors as my consultant. I wish them all the success and all the good luck on their 6th anniversary. Take care of your clients and good luck. Thank you.
Hi, many congratulations Expert Advisor for completing their 5 years. It's been great to know that your 5 successful years have actually provided you a good milestone to recognize yourself as one of the resounding organization to the associated organization and providing them the financial solutions time and again whenever it is needed. We have been connected with you for more than almost 2.5 years and this is the 3rd year going on with you people. I feel good and proud about it that we have been successfully working with you people and you guys have been really helpful in providing all sort of solutions and understanding our day-to-day financial needs and problem issues, guiding us to every subjective detail which basically government keeps on changing or probably as per the market scenario a lot of things keep coming as confusions for us not being from the financial background, but it's been a great support from you people and we never felt that we have not been able to sustain because of that particular weakness what we have and being there for more than 2.5 years we never felt that we are a separate organization taking our services to get our solutions for the financial services. It has always been felt that we are part of you and you are part of us, reciprocating the both ways. I believe and wish you more years to come on a successful note and probably giving you a more better landscape
in this field of financial services, having big organization and big names connecting with you and getting a good mileage for you in the future. Thank you very much, and I again wish you all the luck and very good wishes on your 5th anniversary and a successful forthcoming years.
I am Ajit Singh from Quest Merchant, an exporter of leather garments. We are working with expert advisors from last 3 years and quite satisfied with their working. Expert advisor is a combination of young and experienced team. I wish them good luck for their future. Thanks.
Hi, my name is Amreen and I want to congratulate the whole team of Expert Advisors Management Private Limited for your adventurous 5 years. Kudos to you guys. Kudos to you, Lokesh ji, Harshit ji, for making such a wonderful team. We are really appreciate your services, what you people are providing. It's wonderful. And we just want to wish you very best of luck. Thank you very much, and keep this spirit. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Jitin Garg, founder and director Career Risers Private Limited. We are the client of Expert Advisor and found the services excellent. We heartily congratulate the team of Expert Advisor for their success and completing 5 years and wishes for them the good luck for the future.
We at Maxi Services Private Limited wish the team at Expert Advisors a very heartiest congratulations on completing the 5th anniversary of their operations. We've been associated with Expert Advisors now for over a year or so, and we've got consistent and very good performance from them in terms of the assistance we require, in terms of the work they do. Just keep up the good work and best of luck for your future endeavors. Thank you so much.
Hi, I am Ghanshyam, working with Team Expert Advisor. Thank you for being part of our company. Success over the year. We greatly appreciate and value our hard work. Thank you. Congratulations, team.
Hello everyone, my name is Sarika Gupta. I am the finance head of Tapisa Technologies. I would like to congratulate all of you for successfully completing 5 years of your services. I just got to know about Expert Advisor a few months back, and in just a short span of time, I'm so delighted to have such a wonderful services from all the team members of Expert Advisors. They are so cooperative, supportive, even in the current situation of COVID-19. Again, please accept my heartiest congratulations and thanks to everyone. Stay safe, stay healthy, and all the best for your future.
Congratulations, Team Expert. Sincerely appreciate your support towards every client and customers. All the best for the coming years. Take care.
Myself Ratnakar Mahapatra, working as a general manager in the Landmark Group of companies. We have 12 companies using Tally software for our accounting purpose. What to say about Expert Advisor? Their support, their quick response, their service is too amazing. I don't know their all staffs, but Neha Jain and Mr. Kaushal are too quick to respond our problem. Thank you.
Congratulations, Expert Advisors, on your 5th work anniversary. It is great to deal with you. You have provided solution to almost all our queries in a very expert manner. Also, the staff providing the services are very technically efficient. Thank you.
Hi, I am Nitin from Crystal Magic World, and we are getting software and accountancy services from Expert Advisors from last 4 years. All of them are very professional and we are satisfied with their services. Expert Advisors have completed 5 years in June 2020 and we congratulate them to complete this tenure. All of their clients are very satisfied and we wish them best of luck for all their future endeavors. Thank you.
Hello, hey guys, I am happy with Tally Expert Advisor.
Congratulations for 5 years completed. I am happy with your expert advisor and all staff of members. I am from Balaji Electrical and Traders. So many thanks and congratulations. Keep it up. Thank you.